So guys, I'm back on my motorcycle. So today I'm going to speak about some of the things I love about my motorcycle, the NS200. I'll tell you some aspects that has really kept me going with this motorcycle even after 3 years. Yeah, 3 years is not a big number, so many might scoff at the numbers. The first thing is the tail section. It's a beautiful piece of art. And the good thing about the tail section is very clean, so it makes you feel as if it's a aftermarket tail tidy job that's been done to the motorcycle, but that's not the case. But the design's something remarkable. What's the next thing? Then the second thing that I love about this motorcycle is the power. Okay, it's just a 200cc motorcycle with decent amount of power, like 24 PS of power. I love that. I love the power, considering the power factor. It's like it can really cope up with some really good motorcycles out there. Not talking about the powerful sports bike, but sub 300 category motorcycle. Yeah, it can keep up with the quarter liters. That makes it a very good motorcycle, to be honest. The third point, the perimeter frame. Like, it's just a normal 200cc commuter, but still it gets a perimeter frame and it looks amazing on this motorcycle. The other thing, maybe when it redlines, I'll show you. Yep, the power comes close to the red line, or I guess 8,500. So that's where it makes you feel okay. It has very good top end performance, so you'll never feel out of power. It really feels at home in the top end. That's what makes this a performer. And you can simply shift down. It doesn't have slipper clutch, so if you shift down, you might get some back torque. Okay, you got to be very careful with that. The analog tachometer, DJ analog design of this motorcycle really looks amazing, because you have this speedometer in digital and the tachometer in analog, so gives you that sports bike feel, because when you redline, you get the idea that you're pushing your motorcycle to its power band, and also you know that the speed is climbing. There's another point, but might not come handy to the people, those who commute on it. So if you load it up with a lot of luggage and baggage, it really feels very stable on the highway. It's very common, I guess, with every motorcycle. So if you put a tank bag, then a duffel bag on the back, or let's say a saddle bag, it really becomes quite stable.
Okay guys, I simply forgot to record the ending of the video, but I want to say thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And these are the few things I thought I love about my motorcycle, so wanted to put it on. Thank you, have a great day and stay safe.